Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and this time we have another sort of like a food review, and we are currently at Favola at the Meridien Hotel. Oh, Favola, and they have a new sous chef, and it's local Sabahan. That's what I heard. And so tonight we had a preview of his cooking. So yeah, so we're gonna have some try on his food, and so let's go try.
Actually, Chef Gary, in short, he's actually Sabahan, but he's been working in other places, in overseas, and the latest one before he came back to Sabah, he went for apprenticeship with Michelin star restaurants. So he got all these experience to come back and share with us. So we take this opportunity to introduce him together with this new 3-course set menu updated.
Now we're having starter. Capsante. How do you say that? It's called torta al burro e rashidi. Betul kan? I don't know. There.
Saya tengok dulu.
What? Jam.
Okay.
First of all, you need to teach us how to pronounce the food. Because Jollence keep asking me, like, how do you pronounce this? I said, I don't know.
It sounds very delicious, but don't know how to pronounce.
Yeah. What are they?
Alright, so I'll start with the appetizer. It's pronounced as capisante, which means scallop. And the second one is zuppa. Zuppa is also an Italian word of soup. And then we have pollo alla valdostana. And the pasta is spaghetti alla malfitana. Manzo is an Italian word of beef. The last one is dessert, torta al burro e arachidi.
Alright guys, I just finished out dinner with the rest, and it's just like a few hours only. We actually had a set menu. It's actually only cost about 140 ringgit per person. We got this choice of Italian food. It's included with wine tasting. So I actually had three glasses of wine, but I didn't actually drink all. But then it's good to try or look at those. It's good to check them out. The new menu at Favola Restaurant in Le Meridien. So check them out. Yeah. Alright, so we meet up with this chef that prepare our food tonight, and this is Chef Gary.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi.
And apparently he is actually Sabahan. So we're gonna find out where he's come from. Masih boleh cakap Melayu Sabah?
Masih boleh lagi.
Masih boleh lagi?
Boleh.
Yeah. So he's been all around, seen the world. So eventually he come back here and bring out this knowledge, the food that they actually put in the Favola restaurants. We would like to know whether he's still Sabahan or not.
Yes, I'm still pure Sabahan.
So asal dari mana?
Saya lahir dan membesar di KK.
KK.
Parents dari Kota Marudu lah.
Kota Marudu.
Ya.
Sekolah?
Sekolah rendah SK Sembulan, sekolah menengah KK High School.
Nah, orang Sabah. So apa punya nasihat sama orang untuk pergi coba makanan di sini?
Nasihat saya untuk orang mau coba makanan di sini, siapa-siapa yang rasa-rasa dia mau try Italian food, but with local ingredients, datanglah pergi Favola.
Favola.
Yes, we will bring you to Italy, but still in KK.
Oh yeah, that's right. So that's it. We should check out Favola restaurant. Chef is actually doing a nice food. Yeah, I tried it. Yeah, I can guarantee. Yes, it's yeah.